Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will compare American Express Gold and Rose Gold. The American Express Gold and Rose Gold cards are identical in features and benefits. The American Express Gold card is a great choice for people who love to dine out and travel. You earn 5 times points at restaurants and US supermarkets, making it easy to rack up rewards on everyday spending. It also gives you 3 times points on flights booked directly or through Amex Travel. You get up to $120 a year in dining credits and $120 in Uber cash, which helps cover the $250 annual fee. The card has no foreign transaction fees, so it's good for trip abroad. It also includes help travel and purchase protections. The American Express Rose Gold card is the same as the regular gold card, just in a stylish pink gold color. It's perfect for people who want strong rewards and a unique looking card. You'll earn 4 times points at restaurants and US supermarkets and 3 times on flights booked directly or through Amex Travel. It also gives you up to $120 a year in dining credits and $120 in Uber cash. The $250 annual fee is partly offset by these perks. It has no foreign transaction fees and includes helpful travel protections. Both the Amex Gold and Rose Gold cards offer the same rewards and benefits. Choose Rose Gold if you prefer a more stylish look. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.